Good morning, folks. Here we are in this beautiful house from the 1930s, and they have a window issue. Let's go take a look. In the kitchen, there's a window. The bottom rail is rotted out. And over in the, well, I guess that's not the kitchen, that's the dining. This is the kitchen. It also has a window, the bottom rail's rotted out. So we need to get the windows out and start taking it apart. The problem I'm seeing is this side also has some trouble. I was hoping it was just this piece, but then I was kind of hoping I could just cut it off, maybe even all the way across and put a rail in, but we'll have to take it out, take it apart, and see what my honest, true options are. Both windows, single pane of glass, not divided. So anyway, let's take them apart and see what we got. Someone decided when they got here to put like 8 nails in it. And the cord has got some big tacks in it, holding it in place. Through the cord into the window, 2 on this side, 3 on that side. How about that? Good job. Look at that. See that? 3 nails. So, different color on the outside. We could take it outside, but we need to go to the other window first and remove it. Something unusual I noticed as I'm walking through this house. It's a 1-story house, 3 bedrooms. Here by the kitchen, there's a full bathroom, sink, toilet, shower. Right next to it, there's a sink, the shower, and the toilet behind here. There. Down the hall, there's a half bath with a toilet and a sink. I'm not exploring the house. There may be more, but that's unusual. I thought I was recording this one also, but I guess it wasn't. Maybe I've got fat thumbs or something. This one came out a little bit better. It had a few pocket hole screws, 1 on each end holding the rope in, which is much better than 3 stinking nails. So when I put the other one back together, I won't put nails, but I will put something like this. I like that because you don't want that rope to come loose. It did have a knot, and I do have like slip knots holding them up there so the ropes don't fall back into the wall. Got the window out. It's got its damage. We're going to go outside and try to gently disassemble these and see what it's going to take to replace the bad wood. That didn't take much effort. That's all trash completely. Like 98% of it. Yeah, that actually turned out well. The glazing is on the outside, which that's unusual, isn't it? This one's held together a little better, even though there's a lot of rot there. They had a bunch of nails Still has some stuff in there. This side held together much better. I tried tapping it gently, but where I'm gaining a little progress. And I removed all the glazing from this side. But tapping here, hopefully will help work it out of that joint. I don't want to break that glass. And it's probably got 15 nails on this side also. Oh, daggum. I cracked the glass. I guess I'm replacing that glass. Long story short, I cut a 2x4 to fit in there with a full tenon. I put some clamps on it. Now we'll have a few clamps on here. And then once it's cured in an hour or so, there's a little bevel on this. I'm going to cut it with the track saw, a little bevel, sand it down, maybe run the planer on it because it's a little bit proud over here and here. But that should clean up well. The other one, I'm going to do the same type of repair, but I need to go get it reglazed.